Today I am reviewing the BEASTCOM Q5 Pro gaming PC. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. The BEASTCOM Q5 Pro gaming PC is a powerful yet affordable gaming rig designed to give gamers high performance without breaking the bank. At its core, it's powered by the AMD Ryzen 5 4500 processor, a 6-core, 12-thread CPU running at 3.6 GHz. Delivering impressive multitasking and smooth performance across both gaming and productivity tasks. Whether you're streaming, editing, or running multiple applications simultaneously, this CPU ensures your system handles everything without lag, making it ideal for both casual and competitive gamers. The gaming experience is further enhanced by the NVIDIA GeForce RTX 3056GB graphics card, which brings high-quality visuals, real-time ray tracing, and AI-powered enhancements to your favorite games. With this GPU, the Q5 Pro can handle modern AAA titles at 1080p with high frame rates, making every explosion, shadow, and detail pop with clarity. Combined with 16 GB of DDR4 RAM, your games run smoothly, load quickly, and multitasking becomes seamless, whether you're switching between gameplay, streaming software, and other applications. Storage and speed are also key highlights of the Q5 Pro. The 1TB NVMe SSD ensures lightning-fast boot times, near-instant application launches, and ample room for your favorite games, media, and files. This solid-state storage not only improves load times but also reduces stutter in games, giving you a more fluid and responsive experience. Coupled with Wi-Fi 5, you get reliable wireless connectivity for online gaming, streaming, and work-from-home tasks, ensuring that your connection stays stable during critical moments. The Q5 Pro isn't just about performance. It's also designed to impress visually. The system features tempered glass panels and 5 glowing RGB fans, giving it a modern, aggressive look that dominates any setup. Even before you power it on, the Q5 Pro announces itself with style, making it a centerpiece for any gaming room or desktop setup. The RGB lighting is fully customizable, allowing you to match your setup or create the mood you want while gaming or streaming. Setup is simple and user-friendly. The Q5 Pro comes pre-installed and ready to use, so you don't have to worry about bloatware, complicated configurations, or frustrating installation steps. Just plug in, power on, and jump straight into your games. Whether you're a casual gamer, content creator, or someone who wants a high-performance PC without dealing with complicated builds, this system is designed to get you in the action quickly. In conclusion, the BEASTCOM Q5 Pro gaming PC strikes a perfect balance between performance, aesthetics, and value. With its Ryzen 5 4500 CPU, RTX 3050 GPU, 16 GB RAM, and 1TB NVMe SSD, it delivers smooth gameplay, fast loading times, and powerful multitasking capabilities. The stylish RGB fans and tempered glass design make it as impressive to look at as it is to use. For gamers who want high-quality performance, reliability, and style at an accessible price, the Q5 Pro is a standout choice that makes no compromises. It's not just a gaming PC. It's a competitive, creative, and immersive experience built for those who demand more from their setup.